Wait till he comes down, he's huge. That's called a ground hornbill. They are very rare. The biggest hornbill there is. And normally you see them on the ground. I've never seen them in a tree before. So amazing. It's beautiful. Might have a nest. I don't actually know where they nest. I know hornbills do. Look at that. How beautiful is he? They're called ground hornbills because you normally see them on the ground, but he must have a nest. He must have an... Oh. I wish he would fly down so you could see him. Oh, just as I said it. Wow.